Hi everyone, welcome to epicspeak, where I help you engage in better English conversations. I am super stoked about today's video because in this lesson I have 30 common basic sentences and their smart alternatives. These are sentences that we use every day, probably you use every day. Now, if you were a beginner, then you can start off by learning the 30 basic sentences. If you're an advanced learner, then you can start learning and using the smart advanced phrases to jazz up your conversation. I've told you in so many of my other videos before that learning whole sentences in context will help you learn a language better and faster because you can use the sentences right away and with confidence. So, let's get started. I really hope you enjoy this one. Why are you sad? Why the long face? He surprised me with his announcement. He caught me off guard with his announcement. I know it very well. I know it like the back of my hand. It's very expensive. It costs a pretty penny. That won't work. That won't fly. Just get to the point. Cut to the chase. What's the hurry? Where's the fire? Keep it a secret for now. Keep it under wraps for now. Shut up. Zip it. I won't say anything. My lips are sealed. I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine. Keep me informed. Keep me in the loop. I can't do anything even if I wanted to. My hands are tied. I'm busy. I'm tied up. I'm very busy. My plate is full. I'm very hungry. I'm starving. I'm famished. It's very cold outside. It's freezing. Do you need help? Do you need a hand? I agree with you. You can say that again. It's easy. It's a piece of cake. It's child's play. I don't understand anything. It's all Greek to me. I'm listening. I'm all ears. You're in trouble. You're in hot water. You're in soup. Are you angry with me? Are you mad at me? Think about it. Sleep on it. I'm not feeling well. I'm feeling a bit under the weather. When are they getting married? When are they tying the knot? Don't bother me. Go away from here. Take a hike. Go fly a kite. They are very common. They're a dime a dozen. Stay focused. Keep your eyes on the ball. So, I hope you enjoyed that one. Let me know if you did and if you want me to make more such videos. Thank you for watching. I will see you soon in my next one. Bye.